This is stock lights from factory that have been in my truck since I bought it. We're gonna see how good the new ones do whenever I do put them in tomorrow night. But this is stock and the lighting is pretty good, but I'd rather just really have some bright white because I've always been a guy that likes bright white headlights because I had them in my Kia and I got them in my Mustang, so now the truck needs them. So we will see. These are the factory bulbs in the 2015 F350 that I bought, but I'm hoping that the new ones that I bought will bring a better light and it'll be a little brighter white instead of this nasty yellow color, which I hate because most of all cars are like that. And you just get a better light on just your 6000K, in my opinion. Instead of it being too blue, I just like the true white. So that's what the side marker lights are, is that true white 6000K LED. So all right, so next we're gonna do lightning dark LEDs, H13 6000K installation today. We're gonna try these out. They're a lot better than the HIDs because you simply just plug and play. HIDs are plug and play too, but we've been having a lot of problems with HIDs with Haley's car. I guess it's just the newer models, so we're gonna try this LEDs out, and if these LEDs work really good on my truck, then we're gonna transfer to Haley's car and get some bulbs from this LED company for her car and take the HIDs out because we have been having so many problems with them. Been trying different things. We call a company, they give us different relays, everything, but the automatic and lights are just messing with the HIDs. We're not really sure why, but they'll cut out in and out while she's driving at night, which is not good. We've tried unplugging them, and there's just too many problems. So if this works for my truck, then we're gonna switch over and get her some LED bulbs for her car. So, but thought this was actually gonna be a lot harder to install for the truck, but literally all you have to do is unbolt 10mm bolts on here on the grill, and literally just moves back and forth, right? You don't even have to take this all the way out. And there's 10mm bolts here, and there's two down here, which you can't see. Hold on. If you can see right here, there's two 10mm bolts there as well, and there's one under here, which you can barely see, but it's under here, and it's going to be able to slide out, which I already got all the bolts out, and you literally just be able to pop it out and pull forward. So you don't have to take this off now. It's going to be a whole different story and a lot easier for you guys if there's anybody that's trying to do this without the ranch hand bumper. That's the only reason why it's going to take a little longer, and I'm not able to pull this all the way out. I don't want to pull this all the way out just in case. I can't get it back in, which I know I could, but I'm not going to pull it out. If I can pull the headlights out without pulling the grill completely off, and that's what we're going to do. You already seen what the stock looks like. We're going to put these in, wait till it gets dark, and then show you guys how much brighter these are than the stock bulbs. So if you see, it's literally, all you gotta do is just be able to pull it out. I'll put a little towel here just so it wouldn't scratch the headlight up, but it's not that hard. People on the internet were making it hard, way harder than it is. So I'm gonna be able to plug these in, and we should be good to go, and then be fastening everything back up within 5-10 minutes. We got a pack of LEDs for the inside, and I didn't need to use all of them, so we're gonna see if we can use a couple of these if they work. I haven't taken this off yet, so I'm not sure which bulbs are in here, so if I have them in this bag, we're gonna install some white lights on this until I get a new third brake light. But in the meantime, might as well put some new white lights in. Pretty fairly simple, like all bulbs. Plug them in, see if they work. Oh yeah, a lot better than them nasty yellow LEDs. We also changed the rear brake out, so that's good. I'm gonna get some alcohol and clean this up, and we should be good to go. Alright, it's finally dark. We get to check these and test these lights out real quick. Oh, Riley, what you doing? What are you doing? I brought my dog with me and give him a little ride for the night. Alright, sit back down. Sit back down. Let's see how good these lights are. We take the same little path as we did last night and check them real quick. So you can already see that these are a lot brighter than the stock bulbs. What I like about these as well is on the Super Duties, the high beams are the same as the low beams, and you can just tell these are so much brighter. 6,000 K just disperses out a lot better lighting. Same level. It doesn't affect the other people coming traffic, which is really good. Which I thought it was gonna actually be a little bit higher, but it's still pretty normal for stock height wise. Sometimes when you get HIDs or brighter, they disperse light upwards a little bit more, but these aren't as bad, but they still push out a lot of light on the road, and that's what I really wanted to happen. So we got that handled with. But yeah, man, these are really good. I really enjoy them. $54 you cannot beat for this and high beams as well. So really do enjoy them. A lot better than my stock ones, I can tell you that for sure. Like I said before, if you do want to get some of these are Lightning Dark is the brand company, and I will put a link down in the description below to buy them on Amazon. The $54, can't beat the price for that. Same with my side marker lights, those were $50. And then my little LEDs I got and the little package from eBay. The grand total of the lights I put $120 in, and I got some good lighting for the interior. As you can see, those are bright white, a lot better. So, and I got them on a third brake light now. That's all I have for this video. I'm gonna give you one more walk around since it is night, so you can see everything that we did. Love the lights, but do it again if I needed to. Cannot wait for my white cab lights to come in. Got these put in for now until I get third brake light. I bought some new lights for these, but I didn't realize that the socket holes for these are totally different than factory, and I should have checked that out before I bought them. But once I get new bumpers anyways, I'll be able to, you know, get the holes correctly done, because these holes on this bumper here for the ranch hand is just a circle instead of like the factory holes. So we'll get that all figured out and squared away. But these lights are definitely brighter and they look really damn good. So, but like I said, linked in the description to get the side marker lights, and I also put the link in the description to get the low beam lights. Alright guys, well, y'all take care. We're gonna get to the next video here soon, get some more parts on, and don't forget to subscribe.